Every SEO professional aims to own any available featured snippets for their content. These expanded, descriptive search results appear as a special box, prominently displayed at or near the top of the search results page. Optimizing for featured snippets can help Google better understand when your page is the best answer for a relevant query with one of these search features available. Here we will be discussing about what are featured snippets, 4 types of featured snippets you can target, a 12-step process for optimizing for featured snippets. What's new in featured snippets? Featured snippets are the expanded snippets that appear on the first position of the Google SERPs. The purpose of the Google featured snippets is to answer the user's need right there in the search results. When Google launched featured snippets, some sites were able to achieve 2 results on page 1 of the SERPs, which initially drove dramatic improvements in organic visibility and traffic. You can target 4 types of featured snippets: paragraph featured snippets, listicle featured snippets, table featured snippets, video featured snippets. 70% of featured snippets are the paragraph type, with an average of around 42 words and 250 characters. Most of these featured snippet titles start with what or why, indicating that they are largely informational in nature. An average of 19% of featured snippets are of listicle type, consisting of an average of 6 items and 44 words. They are derived from how and why keyword terms. If you're looking to get featured snippets faster, they're your go-to topics. You'll find 2 kinds of listable featured snippets, ordered and unordered lists. Around 6.3% of featured snippets are of the table type. They have an average of 5 rows and 2 columns with 40 to 45 words. Only 4.6% of featured snippets are of the video type, the average one being 6 minutes and 35 seconds in length. If your audience heavily consumes video content, a video featured snippet is your way to success. Look for the keywords with low search volume and TATA. You've got them.